After 9 hours of flight time, finally landed at Lanzhou airport, which is a very nice and beautiful airport. They told me that it's only opened 2 months ago. I don't have a lot of time in Lanzhou, so I thought I'd just quickly go town and take a look. Lanzhou has a very new subway system also. The downtown is not really that large, but it's quite modern. And of course, while in Lanzhou, I must go and see the Yellow River, the Yellow River. For 5 hours of walking around, I'm tired. I think I better go back to hotel and take a rest and get ready for tomorrow's ride. Bye, see you guys.